Has this ever happened to you? Do the vending machines at Ames seem to have minds of their own? Do these machines seem to be sentient beings from another world? Are they intimidating as you approach them and gaze upon their offerings? Almost jokingly do they seem to tempt and tease you. There are opportunities for the common man to strike back at these vengeful creatures. But even the strongest of men can fall prey to the hypnotic aura that surrounds these creatures.
What to eat, eh? Let's see here. Overpriced cookies. Let's see here. 45 cents bag of air. I probably should stick to my diet though, eh? There's some crunch and munch, crunch, whatever stuff there, eh? No, take off. Do I even have enough money? Let's see here. It's got some in here somewhere, eh? Let's see, 45 and 5, yes, 60. Carry the one. Oh boy, what can I afford? Take off, eh? About the only thing I can afford is take off, eh? Like hot coffee or something? No, I don't want hot coffee. Let's count it again, eh? Let's see, 1 and 5 and... See, I think that's a quarter, eh? I'm not sure. Yep, better go with hot coffee.
Are these mesmerizing machines from another planet, or are they just
supernatural? Perhaps supernatural. Perhaps supernatural. Supernatural.
I hate hot coffee.